Yo, people, you know it's a boy, Keep It Real with Andre, and you know over here we just keep it real. Yo, this picture right here is legendary. You know what I'm saying? Legendary. You see it? Yeah, man, greatness. You see me? Yeah, man. Right over there, so we have the general, the war star, the warlord, bounty killer, Rodney Price. You see me? Yeah, man, poor people, governor. You see me? I say, yeah, man, big up the father. You see me? The father, yeah. Yeah, man, the father, yeah, man. Big up yourself, bounty killer. You see me? I say, you are great. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, you know, bounty. You see me? I say, just go and do it. May God continue to bless you and keep you. You hear me? I say, cross, angry, miserable. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, moving forward. You know, we have, you see me? I say, yeah, man, the teacher. Yeah, man, Addy. Yeah, man. You see me, world boss. You see me, I say, Vybz Kartel. You see it? I'm going to just go back again and say, world boss. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up yourself again. You see me, I say, big respect. You see me? For the channel shout out. You see me, I say, yeah, man. Deeply appreciate it, my father. You see me, I say, as you would have said, God is the greatest. Yeah, man. I'm just pray that God continue to keep you, bro, and just, you know, make you just recover. You see me, I say, and just, you know, I just more blessing upon blessing, because, you see me, you just reap all the blessing now. You see me, I say, and as you always say, you see me, yeah, man, seek purpose and abundance. You see me, I say, it won't bring you far. So people, bless up, Vybzkartel. You see me, moving forward. Yeah, man, right there, so you know who that God did. Yeah, man, big up DJ Khaled, man. You see me, I say, big up DJ Khaled all the time. You see me, I say, a true legend himself. You see me, I say, come from far. You see me, I say, lover, reggae, dancehall, music. You see me, I say, yeah, man, catalog, music, producer, everything in one. You see me, I say, and for him, for us, you know, just join force and bring the unity among the artists, them. You see me, I say, and think, bro, people, this is huge. This is humongous. This is big. You see me, I say, a big respect. Yo, DJ Khaled, I lift my heart, I tell my heart to you, bro. So I just blessing, yo, with you, your family, yo, and just go under the sauna, yeah, man, and the cold plunge, you see me, I say, and the mango, you see me, I say, I just love, man. Blessings to you and your family, man, all the way, all the time. God did, yeah, man. You know, so we move forward. Yo, you know who we have? Buju Banton. Hey, no one put me in a people. You know, say a gargamel. Yeah, man, Buju Banton. Big up yourself. You don't know, you're a legend, you know, my father. You see me, I say, man, yeah, driver, don't stop at all. Yeah, man, big up Buju Banton. Welcome home as well. You see me, I say, and I love all. You see me, I say, I love the message where you push out. You see me, conscious, and you open the eyes of the people. Them, you see me, make them know. You see me, the consciousness of life. You see me, I say, and how, you know what I'm saying, we have to focus on the right things. You see me, I say, and don't be distracted. You see me, I say, trust me, Buju Banton, big up yourself, father. You see me, I say, yeah, man, if you open the eyes of the ghetto youths, them, and people all across the world, every time you go in an interview, you're a man of substance, a man of, you see me, a man of, yo, trust me, man, just the word substance alone, you know what I talk about. You see me, I say, so big up yourself and more blessings. Yeah, man, we are move forward. Last but not least, yeah, man, big up the ground God him. Yo, Mavado. Yo, the man from the gully side. I mix up it almost with Gonga. My bad, but your father same way. The man from the gully. You see me, I say, cassava piece, Mavada. You see me, I say, big up yourself, Mavada. You see me, you're great, you're a legend, the singer. You see me, I say, David Brook. First more, I say, you see me, I say, my condolence. You see me, I say, and same goes to Bounty Killer as well. and the person of your mother. You see me I say? Because you don't know mother love is the greatest love at all time. So, yo, Mavado, big up your damn self, you know. I'm so special, so special. And this picture right here is a special picture. So, I just want to take the time out now to big up all the legends. You understand? And may I give you guys my flowers. And I just want to say, yo, thank you guys. You see me I say for the contribution that you guys have made to reggae and dancehall. You see me? And, you know, bring the culture far and wide. You see me I say, yeah man, proud to be a Jamaican. Enough respect. Again, it's a boy. Keep it real with Andre. And I just make the teacher.
See me and see up to the time, you know it's Vybz Kartel, and you're in tune to Keep It Real with Andre. Watch, like, subscribe, and share. I'm out.